What if I told you a smartphone this thin actually packs the biggest battery we've ever seen in 2026? No, it's not a brick. It's a spacecraft for your pocket. Welcome back, guys. For years, the smartphone world had one golden rule. If you want a massive battery, you have to carry a bulky, ugly slab. But today, Tecno is officially breaking that rule. Meet the Pova Curve 2 5G. Launching this February 13th, this isn't just another mid-range phone, it's a total shift in how we think about endurance. We're talking about a device that fits a record-breaking battery into a chassis under 9 millimeters thick. Some reports even say certain sections are at a record thinness for its class. But how did they do it? And more importantly, is the performance actually good enough for the US market, or is it just a battery with a screen attached? Tecno calls this Design 2.0. Instead of the boring minimalist look, they went full industrial. Look at this triangular camera island. It's inspired by spacecraft thrusters. In the build, they used high-density fiberglass. It's significantly lighter, but much tougher than the plastic phones you're used to. It even has an IP64 rating for dust and splashes. You've got 3D curved glass on the front and back, making it feel way more expensive than its sub-$250 estimated price tag. The display is a 1.5K curved AMOLED panel. In 2026, this is the gold standard. It's sharper than 1080p, but doesn't kill your battery like a 2K screen. But here's the kicker, a 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling Twitter or sweating in PUBG Mobile, this thing is buttery smooth. And for those of you who get headaches from screens, it has high-frequency PWM dimming to save your eyes. Now let's talk about the monster, an 8,000 mAh battery. That is nearly double what some flagships offer. Tecno claims 2 full days of heavy usage. That's more gaming, more streaming, and less time tethered to a wall. And it's smart, too. Running on Android 16 with HiOS 16, it features Ask Ella, a generative AI assistant. It can summarize web pages, erase people from your photos, and even translate calls in real time. It's like having a flagship AI experience for the fraction of the cost. So, is the Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G the new king of mid-rangers? It has the endurance of a rugged phone, the looks of a flagship, and the price of a budget device. But here's the real question. With brands like Samsung and OnePlus dominating the US, could a device like this finally break the monopoly? Would you trade your current phone for a 2-day battery life and a spacecraft design? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see the full gaming stress test as soon as this drops on February 13th, hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss what happens next. See ya!